Before you met me, I was a fairy princess. I carved rocks and called them friends and made myself a queen. Before you knew me, I'd travel around the world. I slept in castles and found love because I was taught to dream. I found mayonnaise bottles and poked holes on top to capture Tinkerbell. And they were just fireflies in the untrained eye, but I could always tell. I believe in fairy tales and dreamers' dreams like bedsheet sails, and I believe in Peter Pan and miracles, anything I can to get by. And fireflies. Before I grew up, I saw you on a cloud. I could bless myself in your name and pat you on your wings. And before I grew up, heard you whisper so loud. Well, life is hard and so is love, child. Believe in all these things. I found mayonnaise bottles and poked holes on top to capture Tinkerbell. And they were just fireflies to the untrained eye, but I could always tell. I believe in fairy tales and dreamers' dreams like bedsheet sails, and I believe in Peter Pan and miracles, anything I can to get by. And fireflies, fireflies. Before you met me, I was a fairy princess. I carved frogs and called them prince and made myself a queen. Before you knew me, I'd travel around the world. And I slept in castles and found love because I was taught